added to the terms of the ratio item module and okay. To its term, right? Okay. Assume the whole on a kya the question is 9 by 17. So let's suppose if you add some x and it should be 3 by 5,000. So you have to find this x item actually. Each term the kaya 8 taurakanda nangi ratio to 3:5 tagada happen. Right. Okay.
3 tare 3.
So you have the option for 3 and 1. Huh? A.
B tare.
B. B. B means 3. Okay. Any other? See, option may hot kera. Option method it's very easy. If you apply by option method, if you let's say A is the option, A is the answer. A do not answer we have to add 4 and 4. Right? 9 plus 4 is 13, and this is going to be 21. But anisi and this is not equal to 3 by 5. Right? Suppose if you are taking option A. So option A do nangi answer not they have. Right? If you want to go by option method is solved then now let's move to the B option. 9 and 17 plus 3 to 12 and 20. Cancel out the 4 na 4 3 and 4 5. This matches question the pyramid chana. So option B is the correct answer. Right? Sina option method tagi. Ngara ako hotpa method to the tauge haragana. Initial ratio is 9:17. New ratio is 3:5. See marakta difference kya no? Difference ako khangde, let's say x and let's say x. But 8 tauduriba numbers in manabanina, the ratio is going to be 1:1. Okay, so minus whole and then you apply that method, cross multiply taureraga kari taureraga, then you will get your answer. Okay, so my taubama, or simply go by the option method. Option method line policy I have. That is up to you. Okay, nang karama method sin have do adudi no nasana sada later. Okay, now based on this, let's start with the problem based on edges. Edges ki question edges the variation how have you
sir ngarangi income ratio aduga expenditure ratio to wido income je manadagati saving je manadabasu mayam yawidana aduna akoi saving manadabagi case ta tawrpa taragadi madugi calculation je kamai tawni
chamana yadum apply to no issue with that.
adu 2000 lebedo ngarang saving 2000 lebedo
adu 3000
saving do sa adu dum yayaba
tamana ito aina pi do concise loina may apply to ba yaba concept niya dun no to pi okay adu na quite best way niya to dun na tailor made ke no na pi ra bane okay question is ki question names problem on edges. Akogi mapa macha, right? Father, mother, father, son, right? Mother, adugi question correct. Right. So I'm going to variation. There is no variation, not so variation of question in problem on edges. Ako yung ngarangi dum sin nagiba formula do, and we can apply that same thing. Right. Let's see the question. Question number 8. See. So the age of Arvind father. The age of Arvind father is 4 times his age, right? If 5 years ago, father age was what happened? Father age was 7 times of his son's age. At the time, what is urban present is? Right. So we have 84, 72, 40, 35, and none. Okay. Right. So then is able to the different way of but it is the same logic, same logic to koina sinaraga what could over question, right? Arvind your father to na agi 4 times so I have an is a present, but 5 years ago father age was 7 times of his son. Now what is the present age I have? Okay, so let me draw a graph. It's the present, the father, the son. Okay, present is the what is the ratio? Present is the lady say Arvind ki father to na magi 4 times so happening. That means son naija Arvind duniko. Not to be confused. Now present the Arvind father to na Arvind ki 4 times so happening na Arvind ki is to 1 oitaragadi father ki is to it will be 4 happening. That is the meaning of this first statement. Okay. Now 5 years ago, I have the 5 years back. 5 so like to say difference of 5. 5 years ago, 5 years ago, father he is to kya hoya hai 7 times of his son hai bani. So then 5 years ago then kya hoy the father is na 7 hoy matam the son will be 1. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find what is the urban present s. Urban ki present s put hua hai bani. This ki 1 ki value put hua hai bani. Right. Kaya tani holo. Narangi same logic to apply tauraga we can apply. We can solve this problem. Yang okay atagada yang. See, sina present and sina 5 years ago. 7 to 4 buki marakta kya khena rakani. What is the difference? So 5 lakani. Sida su kya lakani? 5 lakani. Now I draw. Gyantai ko question se gyantai ko. Present sina 4:1 ni. 5 years ago na 7:1 ni. Now present urban present s puto hai bani. So ako yung arangi logic to. That logic and you will get the answer. Apply to yung. Kya tar? Give me the answer. Okay. Ato po piece on the tower again so that no parent. Siya is never. Present I have later. It's not 5 years ago I have never. Father later, Arvind later. Right? What was the ratio? 7:1, 4:1. Sidana 7:1 I have ni, Sidana 4:1 I have ni. Ay na ni khangminnase sidana sibu ki difference kya ano? 5. Sidana sibu ka difference kya ano? 5. I have artadi. This is 5:5 I have ni. Right? Aduna ngarangi same method to apply to y, but that's all. Multiply to how much? 7 tare. Since multiply to how much? 4 tare, right? 7 and 4, right? And what is the difference here? 3. So it's the same method to multiply total. 5 and here will be 20. And what is the difference here? 15. So 3 ka kya ka manabam to 3 is equivalent with 15. So 1 is equivalent with 5, right? Adu tadi hojik kya tani? Yeah. Hello? Tari wo tadro mayam no response.
Tay sa abuse.
What is the answer now?
35.
Father present. Oh, father ki present is puto hai bo male ko. I do another. Okay, what is Arvin present? Oh, she's 4 even. Father ki hiram gadong sorry for that. Okay. I know the walam. Option je soire ko. Arvin ki father hai gadong was. Sorry for that. He was anyway. But anyway, uneasy puto. Arvin ne and Arvin ki father ki yes 1 to 5 tar na. So
35 tare.
7 ki value puto. 7 ki value is going to be 35. See 1 ki value puto 1 to 5 tar. So actually this is 35. Actually this is 35 and this one I was there. This is 5. Chahi mangai matung dadi kya lani 5 8 taurani. So this will be 40 and this will be how much?
10.
10. So my lakata une actually. Chama na question amaga muktaus. Let me write down one more.
Samta sinjalawi.
Okay. Variation jam like sigi problem on as study, okay? Other than us, either you apply this method, sigi methods in the modern enough ni AS ki question the you apply to ngai laiti. Other the more kitang twisted torakta ragadi go by the option method. Exam the kai question gyan tarakta taragadi option method the hollow value the put toraga. That is the best way to tackle the question. River sugang kang river question to the kanamta solve the vibe do kudak tanga moy have. Adu the option method the hot lob. Adu na quite permanent.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir, si 1 ga 5 ka manay je kamay manay.
Rangi duni 3 ga 15 ga manare ko. Sidi gyantare. Gyantare. Okay, 1 okay hai di 15 by 3 daw. Adu ka 5 ka. Yare. Yadri.
Yare.
Divide daw ni kano ni unitary method ni kaiso natin. Okay. Loira ba? Loidri.
Sir, can you please explain in the beginning again? At first, I don't hear your voice, that's why.
Okay. See, let me rough all those things then. I have to start from the beginning. Anyway, let's see. Okay, this was the question, right? Present as ratio 4:1. 5 years ago, the ratio is 7:1. Now, what I'm saying is that what is the difference here? It is 5, right? From here to here, the difference is 5. So I'm writing 5. Now apply our rule. Just cross multiply. 1 into 7 is 7. 4 into 1 is 4. Now find the difference between 4 and 7. That will be 3. Okay. This part is done. Now what we have to do is that same rule apply on this last one. Here 1 into 5 is 5. 4 into 5 is 20. Now find the difference here. It is 15. Now what I'm going to do is that this 3 here, we have 3. This 3 is equivalent with 15. So I make it 3 is 15. So 1 is equal with 5. So since 1 is equal to 5, 7 is equal to 7 into 5, that is 35. That means this 7, the value of 7 is nothing but 35. And this 1 is nothing but 5. Now, in order to find the present s, this is 5 years ago. So what is the present s? Present s will be plus 5. So that will be, this will be 40 and this will be 10. So the present ages of father is 40. Okay. Present age of father is how much? 40. And the present age of Arvind or son is 10. And this is our answer.
Okay.
Present no sa mathakta thamma ko.
Present hairo.
Mathakta thammaga 5 years ago duna makhada.
Yade.
Thokna bakanda direct. Yadaba ite. Aduda holpa kanda. Adu holpa kanda dum. Wait plus ka tawidna 5 years ago gaina. Tawkibido. Adu direct tawdreba. Answer do
Okay, that you can do. And that you can do also. Just you want to interchange, no? Yeah. Right? But normally follow the 5 years I not like can only ago ni na ko. Right? So what bakanda ko samay we. Nang na high na on talk na ra what ki high bane, right?
On talk na hola pakan direct ta baite.
Direct ta wa.
Sa gida 5 ta. Sa gida 5 ta re idna. 1 do.
Right.
Ai na hot pa je dum 10 ta re ba. 10 40 dum 40 direct answer du phang idna.
Let's see yeng se mathang question da ko. Adu apply to ba ya bre ko. Okay, si loiramane na khalle ko. Loira. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 2. The age of Ramesh is 4 times. The age of Suresh. Now, after 10 years, the age of Ramesh will be 2 times of Suresh. Right. Now find the present age of Suresh. Same question niko. When a number ka change the one. So we have 10. Second option we have 11. 12. 5. Okay, one more, none. Okay, please solve this question. Yes, kya tha gaya? 5. Okay. Anybody else? Sidana after haibako, right? Present haibam later. Sina 10 years after, right? So koi the lady say Ramesh haibam later, Suresh haibam later. So 4:1. right? Ramesh na 4 times of Suresh oy happening. Suresh will be 1, Ramesh will be 4. 4 times oy happening. 10 years after, Ramesh na kya hoya 2 times oy happening. So 2 is to 1, right? And what is the difference here? 10. Stay si book lako the 10 years. From year to year, 10 years. Adu the difference to 10 do ina sa thambagi 1. Now just apply the same method. Cross multiply. 4 lani. Here we will have 2. The difference is now going to be 2. And here, how much? 20 and 10. And that will be 10. So see 10 je, sorry, this 2 je kya gamana hai? 10 gamana hai. So 1 is going to be 5. Right? Okay. So present s putho id 1. Present s of Suresh I see 1 ki value se kya no hangmani. So 1 is going to be 5. So the correct answer is 5. Any issue with this question? See question is issue like bro. Later the higher then I'm going to explain now. Yare yade. Is it okay?
Sir, Ziki 4:1, sir. Adu present no 10 years after her gadi.
Present the 4 is to 1. Okay. That is the ace of Ramesh is 4 times the ace of Suresh. She say actually moina palam the by default it is the present s. Okay. Present s the 4 times of Suresh oy happening na Suresh na 1 oy matam the Ramesh will be 4 oy gonna happen. Right? Adu matung the kaya after 10 years. After 10 years means after, right? So 10 8 or happening. Adu kanda the ratio is now going to be 2:1 oy. Yeah, after present do hana laure after happening na makha thambagi one. Nasagi mamangi question do na before happening na present do na makha iba aduga before happening na mathakti ibagi one. Okay. So chuguma question sigumba same type of question lagta ragati sigi method se palo then you will solve it within seconds. Seconds to dum salaw no khotpa yabani sidagi hena atopa variation khara ga mu yengsi kai koi na question hangak pa yagi haibadu. Aduga out of this kaigumba lagta ragati go by the option method. Okay. Yamna twisted question lagta ragati option method gi value lawsal laga follow. Aduna best way to tackle the question. Okay. Yengsi maka. Okay. Matang question how we are. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the next question then. Okay. Question ama kitang kena ba ama kagiyengsi. The ratio of A and B, where is that? The ratio of A and B, the ratio of A and B is 2:1. 6 years ago, the ratio was 3:1. 3:1. Now, what is the sum of present ages of A and the B? Okay. Option number 1, 24 years. Option number 2, 26. Option number 3, 34. Number 4 is 34. Right. Option number 4 is 36. No. Okay, please try this question.
36 star, sir.
Variation
36 star, sir.
36, right? Actually. So, this is going to be the present s by default. Ako na si present s right? So present, right? Okay. So present s later this is present s. A ka B ka. A ka B ka present s ki ratio is 2:1 so we will put 2:1. 6 years ago, right? So he taruk ki mamanga. Before means here. 6 years ago, the ratio is now 3:1, right? 6 years ago, the difference here is 6. Here is also 6, right? Now, mana hangi question is na si value puto present s ki sum ki value puto Anyway, let's come to that later on. Masai ko ki logic to apply taro, that's all. Multiply taro, 1 into 2 is 1 into 3 is 3. Here is 2, right? So what is the difference here? 1. Multiply here, 6. Multiply here, 12. What is the difference? 6. Now this 1 se kya ka मान रहा है 6 का मान रहा है but अकोई तो पुतुआई से कहीं दो sum पुतुआई बना तो sum of the present s आई बदी क्या आता है 2 plus 1 है right sum is 2 plus 1 that means 3 की value पुतुआई बने okay oh sorry not 3 I just wait over let me rub this 3 taro. First of all, ako si hana putok tabi aro. Matak talay value si hana putok tabi aro. So 1 je uji kya tare? 1 is 6 tare. Then 3 will be now how much? 3 will be 18. So see the value se uji kya tare? This value is 18, right? See 6 tare, amana 18 tare. Duna 6 year later on the 668 tawsalo kya ta kyo? So the 68 already we will have 24. So the 6/8 already we will have 12, and 24 plus 12 tauro present is, and that will be 36. So 36 is the answer. Okay, any issue with this question? See question is issue like that or nasai question to the same apply to paneva. Okay, so yam ability is just we find the sum butok pagi wa katani sidanam.
Sham taka hanbiram.
Okay. Where is my this one? Okay. Okay, let's see this here. Akoigi present s I wonder. Present s. See A ne B ne. Present s the ratio is given as 2:1. Right? 6 years ago I this here. 6 years ago the ratio was how much? 3 years. 6 years ago I will never. Right. That means What is the difference here? 6. What is the difference here? 6. Right? Now cross multiply to so cross multiply to 3. So cross multiply to 2. Mabani ki difference puto 1. Chamanana here also cross multiply 6. Here also cross multiply 12. Now mabani ki difference puto 6. Now 1 je kya ka mana rahe ho 6 ka mana rahe. This 1 is now equivalent with 6. Akoina puthwai jana sigi ani jigi sum puthwai bani ani je putho kai tardi we need to find out what are this value. Sigi 1 je hoji kya ka mana rahe hai ba 6 ka mana rahe. So 1 ki value je kya ka mana rahe ba 6. See 1 hai je actually 6 year hai bane. Now 1 jana 6 ka mana rahe bane 3 di kya ka mana rahe 18 ka mana rahe. So this is actually 18 year ne. Aduna hojik lai ri ba chahi se A ga B ga gi chahi se 18 amana 6 ne ba see present s ne ba actually. Right? Ado chahi ke agi gap lai no sida. How much gap here? 6 I bane. Right? Okay? No. Chumika. See present s not sorry. This is 6 years ago. This is 6 years ago. This is 6 years ago. Aduna present s puthoke hai taragadi ke down. Present s puthoke hai taragadi we have to add 6 here. Aduna see 24 tarani. Here also we have to add 6. So this will be 12. So present s the A ki chahi to 24 ni, B ki chahi sina 12 ni. So what is the sum now? The sum is going to be 24 plus 12, 36 tarani. Okay, is that okay? Yare ko?
Yes, sir.
Question number kamu yengs. Okay, so let me rub this. See questions, and then let's move to the next question. Okay. Okay, how about this? Product of ages of A and B is 240. If twice the age of B is more than A is by 4 years, what is BS? Right? 12, 20, 10, and 14. Right. Okay, try this question. So the product pyramid, the product of ages of A and B is 240. If twice the age of B is more than A is by 4 years, so what is B is? Right? B की S क्या है? Okay, give it a try. Yes. Question आ रहा मुझे क्या ना देखो A का B का की product तो क्या आता है वो 240, right? Product है बनी ना. अदुगा twice the S of B, twice the S of B है 2 times of B तो ना A दगी क्या है ले है वो A दगी 4 years. So twice B minus A is going to be 4 years, right? Now, see equation से दगी now you have to find BS. B के value पुतो है भी वाकतन. That's all. Sang note के है बा में यार 10 note के है बा में यार Sang note ke haragana, you have to solve the quadratic equation, which is not advisable. Okay, kya target on check on just solve it. Okay, so the video is going to be stopped now. 1 minute, less than 1 minute later. Okay, give me the answer. Kya target? Nobody.